Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bumby. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by my friend Lauri from Creative Lauri. I'll have the playlist linked below and also Lauri's channel if you want to check her out. Lauri challenged us to do a spring container collage and something that included glass. It could be anything, but it had to be glass. And she also encouraged us to spend absolutely no money for this project. So let me show you what I came up with. I found this really pretty round vase with a black stand that I already had in the garage that I actually purchased a couple of years ago with the idea of getting a better fish for this bowl. But I never did get the fish. I thought it would probably be a little stressful having a cat and trying to have a fish at the same time. So I just never got around to getting the fish. So let me show you what I picked up around the house and how I'm going to put this container together. Okay, so this is the container. It does come in a black stand of wrought iron and then this big glass bowl. And then I'm going to start out with adding this little white bird. Then I'm going to add some natural rocks. Hi, Rika. Then I'm going to add a Dollar Tree succulent to the middle. And then another Dollar Tree succulent right over. Move, Rika. There you go, guys. Real nice and simple. And let me show you where I put my container. Okay, guys, and here it is on my dining room table. And then I'm going to add these two little topiaries that I already had on hand that I got at a thrift store. So I think it turned out really cute, and I guess this will be my first spring decor of 2019. Thanks guys for joining me today. Make sure you check out the playlist link below, and also Lauri, my friend here from California at Creative Lauri. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.